Hello guys.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm very good. I'm fine.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. I told you that the topics we are going to talk about today, right? What is the topic for today?
Walking TV.
Yes. What's that? Topic. Watching TV, right? Yeah. Okay. Leon,
Yes.
do you have an opinion of watching TV?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. What is that?
I think benefits of watching TV is getting a lot of information. Such as when we consider we can get a lot of several information by watching every show like Working to the World or Egypt.
Yes, right. Working to the world in Korean is 걸어서세계도, right?
Yes.
Yes. And what else?
And bad thing
Yes.
of watching TV is exposed to a lot of violence, a lot of images of
Okay,
violence.
violent, right?
Yes,
Yes.
violence. Some studies show that children who was violent shows became more violent.
Violent. Good. Do you have any favorite shows?
My favorite show is Muhammad
Okay, Mandoya. Why do you like that program?
because Muhammad is fun.
Don't you think that that program is a little violent?
I think
Think so? Okay.
yes.
Okay. I think so too. Okay, good. What's it up? What's it up? You're right. Do you think watching TV is good things or a bad thing? Both. Okay. Tell us your opinion.
I think advantage of watching TV is students can learn various subjects for their school work on evening.
Yes.
For example, like summer vacation and winter vacation too.
That's a good thing, right?
Yes.
How about the bad things of watching TV?
I think disadvantage of watching TV is students can be late for school because they watch TV too late
Yeah.
at night.
Nice.
Even students live in the city.
Okay. What is your favorite show?
My favorite show is Hello.
Hello. I know that program. I know that program is very late at night, right?
Yes.
So have you ever been late to school?
No,
No?
I was that program on vacation.
Only vacation. Good. Okay, Jasmine.
Yes.
Yeah, it's your turn. Do you like watching TV?
Yes.
Okay, what is your favorite TV show?
I like Happy Together.
Happy Together. I remember that show is on Thursday, right? On Thursday, right?
Maybe.
목요일 하지? 괜찮지? Okay.
Good job.
Do you have an opinion on watching TV?
Yeah.
Okay, what's that?
I think commercial has good thing and bad thing.
Okay, commercials, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good thing is there are a lot of commercials. If we watch TV, we can find musical or concert or what we want.
Okay.
Also, we can find photos we can save.
Yes.
Bad thing is there are a lot of commercials.
Yes.
They are usually not that bad.
Yeah.
If we watch TV, we can find we won't buy their items and we spend a lot of money.
Yeah. So watching TV commercials can cause you spend too much money, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You guys are all good. And any command you want to say about the watching TV? Anyone? Here we are. Any opinions?
The story depends on people watching TV, not machine.
Okay, you mean the watching TV is so depends on the people who is watching TV, not the machine, not TV, right? Yes.
So we need to control ourselves.
So people need to control ourselves, right? Okay. Anyone? Okay, that's me.
Watching TV is really helpful for
people that the TV is difficult. But you mean if we don't spend too much time or watching TV is no longer difficult, right? Okay, you guys do a good job today. Okay, thank you.